How to connect Bluetooth speaker to M4 Mac Mini. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can connect our Bluetooth speaker to M4 Mac Mini or any of the other macOS system. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. Connecting your Bluetooth speaker to M4 Mac Mini is actually quite simple. But first you have to make sure that your speaker is turned on, the Bluetooth is enabled, and that it is in pairing mode. Once done, click on the Control Center icon from the top right hand side of your Mac interface from the home page. Go to Bluetooth and select Bluetooth settings and make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth. Now, if your device is currently turned on and it's showing, you will see your device under the nearby devices. Simply look for your Bluetooth speaker and then just hit the connect button next to it, give it the permission it requires, and then your speaker will be connected to your nearby device, which is your Bluetooth speaker. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.